How to fix WordPress page content not showing. In this video, we're going to be talking about WordPress and how you can fix the issue where your page content might not be showing in your WordPress. Now, this issue usually arises because of 2 to 3 issues. Now, the first issue could be an issue in your Elementor. So, if you do use the Elementor plugin to edit your pages, do make sure to go ahead and check your Elementor settings out. Maybe your Elementor is outdated, or maybe your Elementor has, issues in its script. The second reason it might be is we're going to go over to tools for that. Now, in tools, for some reasons, the tools that you're using over here in your connections might be outdated. So what you're going to do is you're going to one by one make sure to go ahead and individually fix these issues for yourselves, okay? Because the more outdated applications you have, the more issues it's going to show in the script or in rolling back all of your pages into the mainframe. Okay, and also you will also want to check that in the case, let's say I have made a page on one of the paid plans of WordPress, and if I have reverted back to a standard plan, or I've gone to a free plan, in that case that will cause issues because I've used the features of the paid plan, and if I've switched to the free plan, obviously I don't have those privileges anymore, which will lead to my page being outdated, okay, and it will lead to my page getting issues in its code. And obviously, if you do want to go ahead and check out the code for yourself, you can go over to your settings and you can go over to your performance, and what you can do is you can fix all those things from here, or you can go over to your hosting configuration, because in some cases it might cause issues as a host. But obviously on the free plan you will not have your hosting features either, so do make sure to get the upper plans before fixing any of this. Now currently my page is not showing me any issues, but if yours is, do make sure to follow all the steps that I have showed you. Make sure to upgrade everything, make sure that your Elementor is up to date, and any other connections that are related to your website or page are up to date. And once you figure and configure all those things out, that should fix your page not showing error in WordPress. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.